Most dangerous and impressive machines and ingenious tools and equipment. In the world of heavy machinery and cutting-edge tools, some machines stand out for their sheer power and innovative design. These machines are both impressive and, at times, dangerously powerful, capable of transforming landscapes and carrying out tasks that would be impossible by hand. Kubota M6002. The Kubota M6002 is a powerful tractor known for its versatility and reliability. Designed for a variety of agricultural tasks, the M6002 is equipped with a robust engine that delivers exceptional power and performance. This machine is built to handle everything from plowing and tilling to hauling and mowing, making it an indispensable tool for farmers and agricultural workers. One of the standout features of the Kubota M6002 is its advanced hydraulic system, which provides smooth and precise control over attachments. This allows operators to perform tasks with greater efficiency and accuracy, whether they're working in the field or around the farm. The M6002's comfortable cabin is designed with the operator in mind, featuring ergonomic controls and excellent visibility. John Deere Big X. The John Deere Big X is a massive forage harvester that represents the pinnacle of agricultural machinery. This impressive machine is designed to efficiently harvest large quantities of forage crops, such as corn and grass, which are then processed into silage for livestock feed. The Big X is equipped with a powerful engine and advanced cutting technology, allowing it to handle even the toughest crops with ease. What makes the John Deere Big X truly impressive is its capacity and speed. The machine can harvest and process tons of forage in a single pass, significantly increasing productivity and reducing the time required for harvesting. Kato GD6557. The Kato GD6557 is a heavy-duty motor grader designed for precision grading and leveling tasks. This powerful machine is commonly used in construction and road maintenance, where its ability to create smooth and even surfaces is invaluable. The GD6557 is equipped with a robust engine and advanced hydraulic system, providing the power and control needed to tackle even the toughest grading jobs. One of the key features of the Kato GD6557 is its versatility and precision. The machine's blade can be adjusted to various angles and positions, allowing operators to perform a wide range of grading tasks with accuracy. The GD6557 also features an articulated frame, which enhances maneuverability and allows for tighter turning in confined spaces. John Deere AG219. The John Deere AG219 is a high-performance sprayer designed for efficient and precise application of fertilizers and pesticides. This advanced machine is equipped with a powerful engine and sophisticated spray system, allowing it to cover large areas quickly and evenly. The AG219 is built to handle a variety of agricultural spraying tasks, making it an invaluable tool for farmers and agricultural professionals. What sets the John Deere AG219 apart is its precision and efficiency. The machine's spray system is equipped with advanced nozzles that provide uniform coverage, ensuring that crops receive the optimal amount of nutrients and protection. Finlay J160. The Finlay J160 is a powerful mobile jaw crusher designed for the most demanding crushing tasks. This impressive machine is used in quarrying, mining, and recycling operations, where it crushes large rocks and materials into smaller, more manageable pieces. The J160 is equipped with a robust jaw crusher and powerful engine, providing exceptional crushing power and efficiency. One of the standout features of the Finlay J160 is its versatility and mobility. The machine is mounted on tracks, allowing it to move easily around job sites and reach remote locations. The J160's advanced control system provides precise and efficient operation, ensuring that materials are crushed to the desired size and consistency. Grima GH2 Eco. The Grima GH2 Eco is an innovative potato harvester designed to provide efficient and environmentally friendly harvesting. This machine is equipped with advanced technology that allows it to harvest potatoes with minimal impact on the soil and surrounding environment. The GH2 Eco's powerful engine and sophisticated harvesting mechanism ensure efficient and gentle handling of the potatoes, preserving their quality and reducing damage. What makes the Grima GH2 Eco particularly impressive is its eco-friendly design. Hitachi Z27. The Hitachi Z27 is a powerful excavator known for its exceptional performance and versatility. This machine is designed for a variety of construction and earth-moving tasks, from digging and trenching to lifting and loading. The Z27 is equipped with a robust engine and advanced hydraulic system, providing the power and control needed to tackle even the toughest jobs. One of the key features of the Hitachi Z27 is its versatility and efficiency. The machine's hydraulic system allows for smooth and precise control of the boom and attachments, enabling operators to perform tasks with greater accuracy and speed. Johnny's Paper Pot Transplanter. Johnny's Paper Pot Transplanter is an ingenious tool designed to streamline the process of transplanting seedlings. This innovative machine allows farmers to transplant rows of seedlings quickly and efficiently, significantly reducing the time and labor required for planting. The Paper Pot Transplanter is equipped with a series of pots connected by biodegradable paper, which makes planting faster and easier. What makes Johnny's Paper Pot Transplanter particularly impressive is its simplicity and effectiveness. The machine allows for precise spacing and depth control, ensuring that seedlings are planted at the optimal distance and depth for growth. JCB Electric Mini Excavator. The JCB Electric Mini Excavator is a groundbreaking machine designed for efficient and environmentally friendly excavation. This compact excavator is powered by an electric motor, making it an ideal choice for indoor and urban environments where emissions and noise are a concern. The electric mini excavator is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system, providing the performance and versatility needed for a variety of excavation tasks. One of the standout features of the JCB Electric Mini Excavator is its eco-friendly design. The machine's electric motor provides quiet, emission-free operation, making it suitable for use in noise-sensitive areas such as residential neighborhoods and commercial buildings. John Deere 1585. The John Deere 1585 is a powerful and versatile commercial front mower designed for efficient and precise mowing. This machine is equipped with a robust engine and advanced mowing deck, providing exceptional cutting performance and quality. The 1585 is built to handle a variety of mowing tasks, from large commercial properties to sports fields and parks. What sets the John Deere 1585 apart is its versatility and efficiency. The machine's front-mounted mowing deck provides excellent visibility and maneuverability, allowing operators to mow around obstacles and in tight spaces with ease. PTR Raptor 500. The PTR Raptor 500 is a powerful and innovative pavement recycler designed for efficient and environmentally friendly road construction. This machine is equipped with a robust engine and advanced recycling system, allowing it to process and reuse existing pavement materials. The Raptor 500 is built to handle a variety of recycling tasks, from full-depth reclamation to cold-in-place recycling. One of the key features of the PTR Raptor 500 is its eco-friendly design. The machine's recycling system allows for the reuse of existing pavement materials, reducing the need for new materials and minimizing environmental impact. Land Pack. The Land Pack is a powerful and versatile soil compactor designed for efficient and precise compaction. This machine is equipped with a robust engine and advanced compaction system, providing exceptional performance and quality. The Land Pack is built to handle a variety of compaction tasks, from road construction to site preparation and landscaping. What makes the Land Pack particularly impressive is its versatility and efficiency. The machine's advanced compaction system allows for precise adjustment of compaction force and frequency, ensuring optimal performance in varying soil conditions. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video. See you.